Hi, welcome to the Reports in Agile CRM video. In this video, we're going to show you some of the reports that are available to you in the platform. So you go to Reports. So we have deal-based reports. You can look at incoming deals to see how your deal sources are performing over time. You can see deals lost by reason to see how the different reasons are on a percentage basis, which are the highest, which are the lowest. You can check on revenue that was won, meaning this report will show you revenue by the source, but it will show deals that were actually won. So let me just show you real quick. So you can look at total revenue, all users, a specific date or time, today, while this runs, and it will break it down by the source of the deal that was actually won. And then you can actually just go ahead and print this out, download the graphic or download the CSV or Excel spreadsheet file. And you can do that with all of the reports. So there's a sales forecasting report, user reports, rep performance reports. If you're using our call telephony integration, you can do reports call by user, average call duration to see how long your users are on calls, check call logs, check call outcomes, and some other reports. We have some activity reports as well, and check to see what your contacts are doing, what sites they're visiting, etc. So we have some really robust reports. We also have what are called growth graphs, so you can see how your leads are growing over time. Let's say you wanted to create a growth graph. Let's go ahead and quickly create one, and this is based off of tags. Let's see, I want to see how many contacts I have under the new lead tag, and you can put in actually multiple tags, but I just wanted this one here. It looks like I just have one. Okay, and it will show you how it grows over time, or you can create it as a funnel, which will do the same thing. The other thing we have what are called reports by email. So let's go ahead and add a report. Show you what this can do. So you give the report a name, and then you set the conditions. So you can, this here says meet all these conditions and meet any of these conditions. So you can create some really robust reporting. Let's say I want to look for contacts that have the tag of new lead, and I want to add another condition that maybe their state is, let's see, LA for Louisiana. Then you can add another condition. And then you say when you create the report, you decide what data sets you want in the report. You want the first name, last name, you want their email, you don't want their company. You just click on the data set. I do want the phone number. Then you decide who do you want to email this to. And you can put in multiple email addresses separated by commas. And then you decide how often you want this report, daily, weekly, or monthly. And then you click on this advanced, and you can even drill down further. What time zone you want it to go out. If it's weekly, which day of the week do you want it to go out? And then what time. And all those same advanced features are available whether you're selecting daily or monthly or weekly. And then you just save it. And then to see what the report actually looks like, I'm just going to go back to reports. Having an issue with my browser. Reports by email. Contact reports, and this is a sample report I had in here. So once you create that report, they will be listed here, which means you can actually look at the reports right now by clicking on show results, and the report actually will run. Or if you don't want to wait till tomorrow, if you got it set up to go out daily, if you don't want to wait next month, if you have it set up to go out next month, you can just click on send now, and it will let you know that you say yes, and it tells you it's going to email you the report. So we have those reports, and then we have campaign-based reports where you can look at campaign stats. So here, this is that first campaign that we created in a few other videos. You can look at all the subscribers that was in that particular campaign. You can look at what are called the campaign logs, and then you can filter even further. You want to just see all those that were sent, any that may have been skipped, because with our campaigns, if a contact does not have an email address and you add them to a campaign, it will get skipped. You can see who may have unsubscribed. We didn't have any unsubscribes in this example, but I just want to make sure you see how robust the reporting is in Agile. So I'm just going back to reports. And also we have Helpdesk Reports when you start opening up tickets. Let's do a ticket report. If you wanted to see, a daily report of all the new tickets for this time zone or this time period rather, say today, looks like there was one ticket open today. You can do an SLA report, a ticket priority and status report, look at a first response report. So we wanted to make sure that you were aware of all the reporting capability that's in Agile. We hope this was helpful.